Hi everyone, my name's Jasmine and today I wanted to show you how to create your own DIY lip plumping balm. This stuff is really simple and easy to make and it's 100% natural and it leaves your lips tingling and basically gives your lips that plump effect. If you're watching this, please like, comment or subscribe, and also follow me on Insta as well, which I'll link below. And also if you try this, please let me know in the comment section below. So without further ado, let's get into the video, guys. So this is my lips to start off with. I've got absolutely nothing on my lips. The first thing you need is organic cayenne pepper. Makes your lips tingle and it increases blood circulation to your lips. And the second thing you'll need is your favourite lip balm. Mine is my own DIY lip balm, which I'll link below how to make this as well. And it's organic shea butter. I'm just going to take a little bit of this lip balm and put it on my hand like so. Also, side note, you can use whatever lip balm is your favourite. This is my favourite, so I'm using it, that's why. I'm just going to mix it in with a little bit of the cayenne pepper. You could also mix this and put it in a jar or a little tub, but I'm just mixing it a little bit as I like to just make it as I use it. And this is the end result, and we're just going to apply it to my lips. So I'm just going to apply quite a lot of this, and you're going to feel your lips tingling, and that's a good sign that it's working, as it will increase the blood flow to your lips and basically give you that plump look. Also guys, I'm filming at my mum's house, and sorry about the mess, that's all my mess, as I just arrived and it was my birthday and I was so excited to make this video for you guys, so please excuse my mess, and plus I'm a bit of a slob, my stuff was all over. I probably should have cleared it up before making this video, but so now it's time to wash it off, guys. My lips are literally tingling. I left it on for about 6 minutes. I'm just going to take a cloth and wet it, and then I'm going to wipe it off my lips like so. Are you guys ready to see the end results? Let me show you. This is the end result. As you can see, my lips look swollen and plumper. I'm just making sure that I've wiped everything off. And this is the finished look. Always make sure to rinse this all off properly. That's us all done. This is really simple and easy, especially if you're going out and you just want that plump effect. Thank you for watching this video.